Hi. While you're preparing for your interview for 2023-24, I am here with you with our latest edition of eMocks for 2023-24 interview. In this eMock, I would like to request a process that you follow. In fact, there's a lot of advantage that you have here. One big advantage that you have is your mind learns how to speak, not only speak to the point, and also, most interestingly, learn how to contract, or for that matter, expand an idea. Because we're going to give you questions. After that, there'll be a counter. I request you to place your mobile about 4 to 6 feet away from you and then listen to the question and watch for the counter which starts, which will be any time that you have. During that time, you record your answer, and while your mobile is kept a few feet away, you also emote better. You see how the whole thing is recorded. And this is one exercise I have found in the past. People have been coming back telling me that it's really, really helped them. And it is more powerful than any mock interview that you would gain. Because mock interview can give you a situation simulated, but they don't give you much practice sessions. This eMock is a major practice session that you can have for yourself, and you could see how you are progressing. Initially, it may not be very attractive, but if you stick on and do a few of them, you would be very happy. We'll give you a new edition of 2024. However, we are using some of our questions from our archives also, which have got still relevance left to them, because there's no time frame within which they have to be asking question for you in the real interview. So all the best. Fake news and its manipulation has a serious impact on our democratic credentials. How fake news and such instances are having bearing on our voting pattern, and what steps do you recommend that can be taken to check the impact of the fake news on the voting behavior of the people?
Medieval Emperor Akbar was a reformer and Raja Ram Mohan Roy was also a reformer. Can you tell some similarities between the two?
GHGs have been a major culprit as far as environmental problem is concerned. We have been talking about net zero for quite some time. What is the tentative target of net zero as far as greenhouse gases are concerned? And do you think the north-south divide that we have in this regard is probably going to be having unanimity when it comes to having a deadline for net zero as far as GHG is concerned?
What are the 5 deprivation criteria list to determine the rural poors?
Our astrophysicists have just studied details of Mars quake. What is this Mars quake, and what are the recent understanding that we have on this quake happening on the Mars?
What are deep fakes? Why they are called deep fakes?
Now you have recorded some of the answers. I hope you have answered all of them. I would like you to now use these videos, watch them, and ask your mind that what better answer could have been there. You could also ask yourself, did I understand the demand of the question? Could I finish it within the time which I was given in the counter? You can also ask that what is a better version of the same answer I can give, and that you can again record, revise, practice. I would really like you to make good use of this exercise by not only recording it, but replaying it for yourself to be able to understand what more you could have given in that answer.